Hello, my name is Alicia, and look at this. The new thing is done. And then everything is kind of changed. There's a new black background. And if you go to solo, they changed the background as well. Did they change every single ones? No. But Monster Brawl, ooh. Now it's a new version. Okay, but we're going to be focusing on the spooky bag. It got delayed. And also a new speed and spookiness. It's also a new game mode came, but we're going to be doing that in another video. Okay, so yeah, let's start. It changed a little bit. There's some a little bit new stuff, like caramel apple, pumpkin cookie, and ghost cookie. So yeah, I'm just gonna do it until 5,000. Ooh, like the new background. Pumpkin. Ooh, epic werewolf. Frankenstein. Slime monster. Mummy. Slime monster. Vampire. Frankenstein. Pumpkin. Frankenstein. Pumpkin. Okay. So yeah, my day has been good recently, Ooh, another werewolf. Why do we keep getting werewolves? Yeah, Mark, why do we keep getting werewolves? Nice outfit, though. Okay, yeah. So, yeah. I think this is very nice. And also, I'm going to do it into two other ones. Caramel apple. Nice. Like it fades away. Like it does not stay there forever. I'll show you. See, it does not stay there forever. It just fades away. Like that. But pumpkin, come on. Caramel apple. Hopefully we get the ghost. That'll be nice. Come on, come on. Come on, please. Not caramel apple. You only got 2 epics. Come on, guys. Come on, just. Wow. How did they got the ghost? Come on, let's get the ghost cookie. Yeah, the ghost cookie. Or the pumpkin cookie. But I don't think we will get that. I'm happy, I'm satisfied. I got the ghost. I don't know how I got the ghost, but still. 2 werewolves. 2 caramel apples. I don't know what caramel apples even mean. But yeah, 1 mummy. No, 6. 6 of those. Whoa, this is where we got a lot. We got a lot of Frankensteins. Okay, that's nice. Oh, and a lot of pumpkins as well. Let's see what we got back. 300, almost 400. Okay, that's nice. We're gonna be going to my other account. Yes, my other account. I sold all my stuff, even the astronaut. Yes, yeah. Anyway, yes, let's see. We're gonna be using all of them up. Vampire. Why is it not? vampire, 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 pumpkin, pumpkin. Come on, just get epic. I'm satisfied with epic in this account. Caramel apple. I think caramel apple is the best. Caramel apple again. You know, this is really nice. Ooh, mommy. Okay, yeah. I like the new thing. I got the ghost. I did not thought we got the ghost. It's only a 1,000 unboxing. How did I even got the ghost? Maybe we could get the ghost in this account. Come on, guy. Come on. Come on, account. Come on, Google. Come on. Come on. We haven't even got an epic. This is weird. Come on. Come on. We need to get an epic. Oh my gosh. Finally an epic. Come on. Come on. Okay, I don't think we'll make it. Caramel apple. Yes. Please. 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 Okay, this is the last one. No, I only got an epic from that. No. We got 3 caramel apples. We got 2 mummies. We got 2 zombies. Whoa. We got 9 vampires. We got 6 Frankensteins. We got that. And then we got 9 pumpkins. Okay, now let me change this to werewolf. That's nice. Okay, so yeah. Overall, at the end, we got something exciting. We got the ghost. We got the ghost. I got the legendary ghost. I got the legendary ghost. Legendary. Epic. I think that's my first. I think that's my 4th legendary. Aryav's my friend sold the baby shark, and I also sold that. Yeah. I got the legendary ghost. I got the legendary ghost. Okay, yeah. I think that's enough for this thing. So yeah, if you like this thing, make sure like. If you love this thing, make sure subscribe. And I'll see you later. Bye.